Hello everyone. So today I'm making some chocolate truffles. Basically you need some soaked cashews, some dates, cacao powder, almond butter, and I'm using coconut sugar instead of date sugar, which is what the recipe wants, but I couldn't find any, and some vanilla. I am adding a surprise ingredient today, and that's going to be raspberries. So these are freeze-dried raspberries. I saw on the internet how you can grind them up and you get like a raspberry powder. We'll see how that goes. So I'll just pour these into my little mini food processor here. But you can see you still have the seeds, and you can leave them in if you want, but I prefer not to have the seeds. So I'm going to sift this powder. Okay, so this is what I'm left with. Seems like quite a bit still. I probably could have ground that up a little bit more, but now I have my raspberry powder. Okay, now I'm going to make the truffles. I'm going to start with the cashews, cacao powder, and the dates are going in. These dates are pretty soft, so I didn't soak them, but if they were dry, I probably would have soaked them for a little bit. Almond butter. And because I don't have date sugar, I'm using coconut sugar, I'm putting half the amount. Some vanilla. And of course, some raspberry powder. I'm going to save a little bit so that I can roll some truffles in it at the end. Okay, and now for the fun part. Okay, so it's so satisfying when it turns into a nice dough at the end. And I admit I had a little taste in it. It tastes chocolatey and raspberry. Very delicious. Now I have to form these into truffles. Okay, so I'm going to roll out the truffles, and I'm going to roll them into some cacao powder mixed with the raspberry powder. All right, so it is kind of sticky, so you know, you kind of have to work fast. Cacao powder and raspberry powder. Okay, so here they are. Chocolate raspberry truffles, rolled in cacao and raspberry powder. And of course I have to try one. Wow, really nice raspberry flavor. Chocolatey. Very truffle-like in texture. Delicious. If you like it a little sweeter, add more coconut sugar. This is not very sweet, but it's really good. I hope you like it. Thanks for watching.